So guys, a lot of y'all come to us seeking guidance on how to go about and give the actual live exam. A lot of y'all come to us and they're like, we know our academics, we know what calculations need to be made, we know how to get our marks. Thanks to the tips that y'all have given me, I am ready for the exam. But I struggle with the platform. I don't know how the platform is going to be like, whether I'll be able to use my formulas, whether I'll be able to type in a fashion that I prefer typing in. All these questions surround y'all, and it means often that y'all are not able to complete the exam, or y'all complete the exam haphazardly, not knowing the most efficient way, because either y'all didn't get time to practice or y'all couldn't practice because y'all didn't know that there was a practice platform that existed. So in this 3-part video series that we bring to y'all, we'll be focusing on the practice platform that ACCA has, surely debugging it fully for y'all so that if y'all don't have time, just watching this video will get y'all acquainted with how to use the live software, or getting y'all through the right practice platform so that on your own y'all can practice as much as y'all want so that y'all are ready. So guys, before I get into the video real quick, I'm Rashesh. I am an ACCA trainer. I work at Zell since more than 2 years now. And at Zell, we offer training for professional courses such as ACCA, CFA, CPA, IFRS, and more. And these courses can be the key to kickstarting your career going down these professional career routes. Please like, share, and subscribe so this video reaches the right audience such as you and helps them at the right time. So the first video, guys, we'll be talking about the practice platform itself, on what features has ACCA provided so that it's easier for you all to study. In the second and third video, guys, we'll be talking about specifics of the skill level and the P level, how the platform is designed, and how can you all efficiently use the platform. So guys, in the first video, we'll be talking about the ACCA exam practice platform, a platform that ACCA has brought to y'all so that you'll have better live question exam practice and you'll are all set for that exam attempt that you'll have been eagerly preparing for. So guys, before I get into the video real quick, I have another game-changing document that I have to show to y'all at the end of the video. So stay tuned until the end and do not miss out on that. Right? So, getting started, all y'all need to do is visit the ACCA Global website. A quick Google search will get y'all here, and visit the students section. Here you'll need to go to study support resources. Guys, ACCA has a plethora of resources which allow y'all to plan better for your exams. If you all want a video on this, please let us know in the comments and we'll be sure to make a such video going through all these resources, when to use them and more. But in today's video, we'll stick to our focus, which is the practice platform. So guys, you all can access this platform through any subject on the website. It's available as question practice ACCA practice platform. It's started by the ACCA, just showing how important it is to go through this one. And to go here, you all simply need to visit this and click on login to the practice platform. Of course, I've already kept this open. So this is the main area where you all can practice as many questions as you all wish. Before I get into the catalog, a few quick tools that are also available here. You all can switch between dark mode and light mode, something that's almost anywhere nowadays, allowing you all to train at any point during the day as per your comfort. There is a FAQ tab which opens up where all the questions that you might wonder are already answered. So if there's anything that I don't cover in this video, this will also be an area which might answer your questions, right? So in your home page, you'll have a catalog. In this catalog, guys, are all the resources that you'll need. There are ACCA official resources such as the past exam library questions, practice exams, specimen exams. So you'll have around 5 to 6 mocks for every paper that y'all can practice till y'all have your live exams, right? If this is not enough, guys, ACCA also has a blank workspace which y'all can practice on every single exam kit question that you might have. So in theory, you'll have unlimited practice possible here on their platform. To get started, all you'll need to do is assign a test to yourself by clicking on the assign button. Once you all do that, it should appear here. If I just go through this, I can just start any exam, and this window is where your live exam would ideally start. This is the screen which would be loaded, or which you all will get at if you all are giving a remote exam. From this point on is where your exam starts. A 10-minute instruction timer and a 3-hour 15-minute exam complete. Guys, this will be covered in the second video for skill level and the third video for P level. So you all can continue the playlist or stay tuned for these videos and get the clarity you all need for the specific paper you all are giving. For now, let's continue with the platform in general. So say I appear for the exam, I give the test, I submit it. The record will be available under the marking tab. You all can give access to your peers, your faculties, so that they can check these exams on the platform itself. But if you all are self-marking also, that is possible. To self-mark, what you all need to do is simply click on it and begin the self-marking process. So guys, it might look a little bit intimidating at the start, but be rest assured it's a very well planned software. So on your extreme left, you'll have the requirements. This is the question requirement that is available to you, and all your requirements, if you are giving the P level, or if you are marking a P level question, even the requirement blocks will be available here. In the center, guys, you'll have the answer. The answer, whatever you might have written, would be available, and if there was any template like you all can see in front of you all, that would be available. Of course, I've not written anything, so it's empty, but this is where your answer would be possible. On your extreme right, you'll have the marking scheme. So you all can look at the marking guidelines, you all can look at the sample answer, you all can look at the question, you all can also note down any specific comments, anything that you all want to remember yourself a possible issue. But guys, most of us just, once we have the answer or the marking guideline open, we just minimize this window and we check. Similarly, the whole mock is available here, so all your questions can be checked. And finally, you all can exit this window. Once you all submit this, you all won't be able to mark it again, but it will be available under your results tab. Now guys, again very important, if you all are using a blank workspace, I urge you all to submit it once you all are done practicing, so that again you all can use the same blank workspace as many times as you all wish, and the record will be fully stored in the results tab. So if I'm looking at the results tab, this is nothing but a review screen where it shows me how I performed, what did I do, and all these things which can make me understand how I performed and allow me to do better decision making. Finally guys, we have the performance tab. Again, just goes to show how serious ACCA is with this platform, because this guys shows your progress. It shows how you scored in the first mock, the second mock, the third mock. Say you scored a 55, a 60, a 65. It gives you that innate confidence you all need, so that you'll know, okay, in the live exam, I'm scoring my 75, I'm getting that rank, and the practice platform has much to contribute to it. Right? So guys, this is pretty much it about the practice platform. See you all in the second video. And as promised guys, another vital document that I need you all to go through. You all can find this document by just doing a quick Google search, but we've put it in the video description for you all. It's a CBE guide to others, or CBE guide all others document. Simply search it on Google as ACCA CBE guide, or use the link that we've provided in the description box. So guys, why is this document important? I urge you all to read through it all, but this document has a list of all acceptable formulae. This can be a game changer guys. If you all know what is allowed and what is not allowed, you all can fine tune your practice in lines with this and ensure that you all are in a scoring position and not losing out on any time. A lot of the students do not know that they have the NPV and IRR formulae, which is important in the AFM exam, available to them directly. Guys, in the FM exam, this is disabled. In the AFM exam, it's allowed. This document is for your P-level exams. There's a similar F-level exams document also available. So please make the right use of these documents. And like I said, such formulas, knowing all these things can make it a great deal for you all to efficiently give the exam, save vital time and score more. Right? Looking forward to you all in the second video. So with that being said, guys, I wish that this video reaches a lot of people, and for that I need your support. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and any other questions that you might have, we'll be more than happy to answer. So please leave them down in the comments.